I was sent these seat covers and I was really excited to try them out. Let's see what's inside. So here's what I got. This looks like the back seat cover. This looks like another part of the back seat cover. Front seats. It even comes with the headrests. And it also comes with these plastic circles, this tool, hooks, gloves. Nice. Okay, so I'm gonna go install them. So just to give you an idea, I want to show you what my car looks like before and what it's gonna look like after the installation. So I started with the passenger seat. My first impression was that the material felt really nice. It was very smooth and I liked the color. The installation's pretty straightforward, but it's definitely time consuming. The front seats were the most difficult. The heartrest cover fit perfectly and everything felt very snug, which I loved. Installing the bottom part of the seat was a little more interesting. I had to unhook the back cover from the seat bottom, thread the straps through, and pull them tight to keep everything in place. The driver's seat was easier since I had already figured out the steps, just repeat and adjust. I used the included tool to tuck the bottom cover in neatly. The back seats were much easier to do overall, but I ran into a small issue. I didn't have enough of the plastic rings used for attachment, so I had to improvise. It worked, but it wasn't ideal, and I think it would have been more secure if I had all the original attachments, like in the instruction video. That said, the back installation went pretty smoothly overall. I loved the final result. The covers gave my car like a really fresh new look. It was a great upgrade, but there were just two things I didn't love. First, the back of the seat is still slightly exposed underneath the cover, and second, the rear headrests don't stay in place very well. They tend to slide around. But all in all, I'm super happy with the transformation. It took time, but getting a snug, tailored fit was worth it at the end. Thanks for watching.